Hi guys, if you're looking to take your cleaning game to the next level, then make sure to check out the Sebo Essential G5 Upright Vacuum Cleaner 90407 AM in this sleek light and dark gray color combination. If you're interested in buying it, make sure to visit the link in the description below. Let's dive in. First things first, design. One of the things that instantly stands out about the Sebo Essential G5 is its sleek look. The combination of light and dark gray gives it a sophisticated, professional appearance that fits into just about any home, no matter the decor. Next up, let's talk performance. The Sebo Essential G5 comes equipped with a powerful motor that delivers excellent suction across various floor types: hardwood, carpets, and even area rugs. No more worrying about stubborn dirt or debris. This vacuum pulls it all in with ease. If you suffer from allergies or just want a cleaner, healthier home, the Sebo Essential G5 has you covered. It comes with S-glass filtration, which captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Despite its power, the Sebo Essential G5 is surprisingly easy to maneuver. With a lightweight design and a swiveling head, you can easily navigate around furniture and obstacles without breaking a sweat. Durability is a huge factor when choosing a vacuum, and the Sebo Essential G5 delivers here too. Built with high-quality materials, this vacuum is made to last through years of cleaning, whether you're using it daily or weekly. Plus, the long power cord means you can clean large spaces without constantly switching outlets. One cool feature that I really like is the adjustable height settings. This allows you to fine-tune the vacuum's performance for different floor types. Now, I know some people prefer bagged vacuums over bagless ones, and the Sebo Essential G5 has a bag design. But the good news is, this makes the disposal process super easy and mess-free. One thing I think we can all agree on is that no one wants a vacuum that sounds like a jet engine. Thankfully, the Sebo Essential G5 operates quietly. Whether you're cleaning late at night or during nap time, you won't be disturbing anyone with excessive noise, which is something I really appreciate. So, to wrap it up, the Sebo Essential G5 Upright Vacuum Cleaner 90407 AM in light and dark gray is not only a visually appealing option, but also offers top-tier performance. With powerful suction, advanced filtration, easy maneuverability, and long-lasting durability, this vacuum is designed with homeowners in mind. If you're looking for a smart investment that will make your cleaning routine more efficient and effective, the Sebo Essential G5 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, tips, and interesting videos. See you in the next one.